Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will write essay Health is Wealth. Let's get started. Health is the most important part of our life. Good health is our real wealth. Good things brings happiness to our life. Money can earn everything, but not peaceful mind. A sound mind is in a sound body. Daily exercise is important for good health. We should not eat junk food to maintain a good health. We should a balanced diet to be healthy. Only a healthy person can live longer and happier life. We should take good care of our health. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.